Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to fix stuck on verifying downloaded files in Once Human. So once you come on steampowered.com and search for Once Human game, over here you will be able to see the play game option. So if you click on it, you can either install Steam, or if you already have Steam installed in your PC, then you just have to press the yes button, then click on open Steam. So after opening it up, the file might be around 49 to 50 MBs, so sorry, GB. So you just have to basically download this game in your PC. So at the time of downloading the files, sometimes Once Human game stuck. So in this situation, what you can do is you can simply refresh your internet connection, because sometimes whenever we keep on using our internet connection for a very long time, it gets unstable. So in order to increase the connectivity of your internet connection, what you can do is you can simply click on this section, and here you just have to click on the airplane mode. After that, you just have to wait for 5 seconds, and after those 5 seconds you just have to simply click on it. So what this will do is it will refresh your internet connection or your Wi-Fi or your router. So you just have to now click on available and connect yourself with your internet connection. Now you need to try to download this game, and with the help of this method you will be able to easily fix this issue. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.